Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to explore the mysterious link between the Nazis and the Holy Grail. Join us as we dive into the historical context, separate fact from fiction, and unravel the enduring legends surrounding this ancient relic. The Holy Grail, a sacred object believed to possess extraordinary powers, has captivated the imagination of many throughout history. It is said to hold the secrets of eternal life and divine enlightenment. But did the Nazis also seek to possess this enigmatic artifact? Let's find out. To understand the alleged connection between the Nazis and the Holy Grail, we need to explore their fascination with occultism and ancient mysteries. Figures like Heinrich Himmler and his Ahnenerbe organization delved into esoteric beliefs, seeking hidden knowledge and supernatural artifacts to fuel their ideology. The legends of the Holy Grail are deeply intertwined with Arthurian tales and medieval folklore. Stories tell of knights on noble quests, divine miracles, and the search for ultimate spiritual enlightenment. These legends captured the attention of the Nazi leadership, who sought to harness the perceived power of the Grail for their own agenda. While the Nazis did engage in widespread looting and the acquisition of cultural treasures during World War II, concrete evidence specifically linking them to the Holy Grail is scarce. Their interests primarily revolved around acquiring valuable artworks, manuscripts, and artifacts from various regions. It is important to acknowledge the impact of popular culture on perpetuating the notion of a Nazi quest for the Holy Grail. Books, movies, and conspiracy theories have often blurred the lines between historical fact and imaginative storytelling, contributing to the mythos surrounding the Nazis' link to this sacred relic. Separating fact from fiction requires a careful examination of historical records and scholarly research. While there are accounts of Nazi expeditions and interest in ancient artifacts, there is no definitive evidence that they specifically sought the Holy Grail. The true extent of their involvement in Grail-related activities remains unclear. As we delve into the mysteries of the past, it is essential to approach the alleged Nazi link to the Holy Grail with critical thinking and an appreciation for historical accuracy. While the allure of the Grail captures our imagination, let us seek the truth amidst the legends that have shaped our perceptions. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the alleged Nazi connection to the Holy Grail. Join us next time as we continue our quest to unravel the enigmas of history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to always seek the truth behind the legends.